Hello hustlers, and welcome to the IVA Hustle channel. Here we provide education for freelancers and independent contractors. IVA Hustle can help your freelance businesses thrive by providing solutions to things all small businesses face. We can help show you strategies for success. We cover things by starting with planning, to startup, and from marketing and management to expansion and beyond. If this is the kind of information you find helpful, please hit the like button to let us know. This helps us out so we can continue to produce this kind of content to help hustlers like you. We also invite you to subscribe and tap the bell icon to be notified when we upload new content. And definitely share it on your social media to help get the messages out to others seeking the information we provide. Remember IVA Hustle and you should too. So, this month we'll be conjuring some cash flow tips by helping you to scare up some business for your freelance and side hustle projects. This holiday season using the beauty of using targeted marketing to increase income. Personalized marketing consists of targeted, one-on-one interactions with consumers. Both modern and antiquated methods can be used to accomplish these goals. These promotional strategies are most effective when directed towards a select group of previous purchasers. Customers can be located, highlighted, communicated with, and offered products and services uniquely tailored to their interests and needs with the help of personalized marketing. Personalization in marketing helps both the buyer and the retailer. Personalized marketing is advantageous for freelancers since it raises profits, enhances the public's perception of your skills, allows you to create a brand, and lets you expand your product line or modify your packages in response to the needs of their most loyal clients. Customers gain as well because you'll be able to give them exactly what they're looking for without them having to wade through the muck left behind by other marketing initiatives. In this case, it appears like you've found a solution that benefits both of you. Online resources abound to assist with individualized marketing. This includes email marketing software that can automate personalized ads. Even some website landing pages have built-in personalization features. Here are some examples of personalized marketing strategies. However, you shouldn't let these cases frighten you. These will show you how personalizing your marketing can benefit your freelance business by mimicking the big boys. Target. Anyone who makes a purchase at Target using a debit or credit card is assigned a unique number. The store tracks all purchases, regardless of whether or not you use a Target credit card. By doing this and maintaining tabs on your purchases, companies can send you mind-blowingly relevant advertisements across several channels, including the web, direct mail, email, and even text messaging. They may even be able to discern from your shopping habits whether or not you are expecting, or whether you plan to adopt. Vidyard. Using the data at their disposal, they developed a strategy to reconnect with their most loyal clientele. A custom video can be made for any promotion. They don't employ automated software since each video is personalized for a specific viewer, and those viewers are the best consumers. Now think about the responses you would receive from your clients and customers if they received a customized video ad inviting them back to your site, inviting them to participate in a survey, or offering them a solution that is uniquely tailored to their specific needs and preferences. Do you wish to learn further details? You'll find a link to them in the description below. Now let's look at Amazon. The extent to which Amazon can tailor your shopping experience is both impressive and unnerving, and this is something that most of you are probably already well aware of. However, here's the catch: they only know about you because you shared your details with them. Based on your behavior, they'll send you the most relevant offers they have available. If you have Alexa, she'll pop on to notify you of relevant offers and discounts to items you purchase for added marketing. After hearing this, you might be thinking there's a lot to do. But remember, you are only using the tricks learned from the big boys because you should have vast amounts of customer information at your disposal to tailor your marketing efforts to the specific needs of your current clientele. You know you can't possibly cater to each individual customer if you're using a cookie-cutter approach. To provide the impression that you're doing it for everyone, you need help just from a select few. Select the top 5 to 10 customers and treat them like royalty. To achieve this goal, you can use the data you collect about their habits and requirements to tailor your offers to them. Now target those VIPs and let the personalized marketing begin. You'll start to see a return on investment. After that, just repeat the process with another group of your clients and soon you'll be rolling in it. This is the way to haunt your customers with marketing to scare up some profits for you. Until next time, hustlers.
Okay, that's all for this episode. If you want to learn more about how you can get your freelance